Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Dr. Elo, and today we're going to be reviewing the OWC USB-C Travel Dock. You know that live streamers most times are, stationary unless you have a mobile channel. But in my situation, I like to travel. I have family in different states, which I drive to. And for me, it's imperative to have a mini dock that I can use and take everywhere with my MacBook Pro. All right, everybody, let's get into the unboxing. All right, so this is the OWC USB-C Travel Dock. This is the mini one, so you can connect, charge, display, and import anywhere. Let's see here. It's USB powered, expands your device connectivity, faster, more reliable internet access, and works with computers, tablets, and phones. This is the box. So let's start unboxing this product right away. Okay. See here. Okay. All right. And it brings a little, set this to the side. It brings a little paper that says includes the OWC USB-C Travel Dock E and the system requirements, which is pretty helpful. But you should check the system requirements before buying a product like this, for sure. And it says how to take the cable off. All right. Right now, with this, I don't think there's anything else in here, right? Probably some literature. Let's see what else I have over here. Nope. It's one of the things is to make it fresh, supposedly, right? All right. So this dock is really minimal. It's really small. As you can see, it has USB 3.2 gigabytes per second, HDMI, and it has USB-C or a Thunderbolt 4. It also has RJ45 jack for internet access for Ethernet, might I say. It has SD 4.0, and it has another USB 3.5 gigabytes per second USB port. And in the bottom, as you can see, it has this cable, right? So you don't need a cable for it. You can actually put it here, connect it, and forget about it. All right, everybody, thank you very much for unboxing this with me. And if you have any questions or concerns, please put them down in the comment section. If you want more videos like this, please go subscribe to Dr. Elo's channels right now. All right, Dr. Elo out.